Yes, I welcome back to I channel. I'm gonna try to do two things today. I'm gonna try to finish up my garden bed and set up my new circular saw so that maybe I can get to this worn out stairs. Trying to do as much as I can while I have the strength. Okay, so first things first, let's try to set up my saw, my circular saw. I just bought a cheap saw. I nailed or I stuck most of the fencing on here. I didn't put the nails too deep. I don't like to nail things. I don't like permanent structures. So you see the nail right here? I just stuck it on here. And I stuck the wire mesh thing on it. So it looks nice. Not left some space over here just in case, because I gotta put a fascia board over here, and I gotta put some more a piece of thing on here, piece of wood. So that's how it looks from the side. I cleaned it up as much as I could, and I see some grass over here. So I'm going to try to put a piece of wood right here so that I could nail the fence up. I didn't want to put this piece of post over here just in case somebody, falls, trips. If I had put this fence post right here, somebody might trip and fall and impale themselves on it. Unless if they're a vampire, they come back alive, then they most likely will be dead. See how sharp this thing is? So let's go and try to modify piece of wood from that pile of junk. And let's let I move my Lexus. Put it in the garage. I don't drive. I don't leave it out. I don't leave it out like that just in case it rains. Okay. What that? That's my summer vehicle right there. I park it and then I leave the keys in there. Come on, get out. All right. Put the keys in there. Let's go set up my my saw. No, it's probably too close. Oh, nice. Park too close to the wall. All right, so let's go set up this new circular saw, skill saw I bought. Get my stuff from the back of the car. Let's do this quickly. I don't like to make long videos because I can't. All right, so this is the circular saw that I bought. Cheap ass, $50. $50 circular saw, and it's a skill saw. Out here they call it skill saw because of this brand right here. They created a type of circular saw called skill. Now I haven't set up a circular saw in years, And this is my old hand-me-down saw from my dad. It's no longer working. Let's try to see if it comes back alive out of jalousie or jealousy. I highly doubt it will. Old saw, cheap saw. This is the model Black & Decker model 5738, made I guess in the 1980s, and it's 9 amps. I highly doubt the blade, the 4-inch blade has been changed. This one is 9 amps and this one is 13 amps, and the blade is 7 1/4. I don't know how I got by with 4 inches all these years. But anyway, let's try to quickly set this up. I haven't set this thing up in years. Yeah, let me see right here. I think this stops the blade right here. How do you stop the blade? I forgot. What the? Anyway, I think it's dead. It's not gonna work. Let's try it. Let's try to see if it's gonna let's try to see if it's gonna work or not. So, like so, and for safety reasons, keep it away from my eyes and my face. Yeah, it's not working. It's completely dead. So it's plugged in over here, and it's plugged in over here. Okay, so has no sentimental value for me. My dad is long gone. I may just keep it on the walls over here, but it's maybe could be cleaned and fixed. They don't necessarily fix things here in America anymore, so after I might get rid of it. Anyway, let's set this one up. I'm not gonna read the manual. Oh shit. So what is this? Okay, gotta lock this. It's already soft already. Let me see. Okay, you lock it over here like so, and that locks that. Let me see what's in the box. Blade, skill saw, manual. What's that? Okay, let me put the blade over here. Get the little thing, spanner. Let's set this up. Take a good look at it. It's $50. Got it on sale at Lowe's. It looks clean, new. There's little directions on there. So let's get this set up. It looks like this is this to prevent this from going up, and that the angle. Make your cuts. 52, 45, 30, 22, 15, 0. Count day. No second day. Count 5, 30, 22, 15, 0. Okay, these are the numbers on here, the angles. I don't know why they would do 52. Anyway, I'm not a carpenter, so I don't know. Anyway, let's get this set up. Okay, this pin's right here. Looks like it's hard. Take this off. It says here, this little label here, put this on top on that, blah blah blah, whatever. Never read any instructions. Okay, the blade goes in here. Probably sharp as hell. Be careful, this is very sharp. Okay, let's see what we do this with one hand. Oh, I'll slide that right in. I don't think it has any angle. What the hell? Maybe I should read the instructions on this shit. Okay, let's do the arrows up. I don't know. Put this back. Put this back. Like so. Try to spin it, which I don't think is gonna work. Okay, what that's this mechanism for? It most likely will be this mechanism here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, let me press it. I don't want to press it on the guard. Okay, good. I think it's hard enough. Let's untie this. Day my way. Okay. 2W, I don't know what that means. Warning, to protect against kickback, tighten blade bolt. When it turns fast, pass finger tight. Okay, whatever. I don't know what finger tight is. Let's put this on here because it looks like a part that could get lost easily. Ça peut être vite. Un morceau pat. Puis qui peut être vite. Okay, let's test this out to see how I man skills or works. You can go find this online. 13 amps, 15 amp. Okay, let's take out the. Let's put this in over here. All right. Let's put it away from me before it flies and impales my head. Okay, let's go. Wow. Okay. That's how it works. Feel a little trembling in the hand there. So, let me tighten it a little bit to make sure. Unplug and tighten. Tighten it a bit. Make sure that it doesn't fly and injure me. Avant y blesser mwen. All right, so let's tighten this thing up. Don't trust anything out here. Not even myself. Ugh. All right, I'll tie it back up again. All right, man, so that's how this thing works. I'm gonna make a separate video of me trying to cut the 4x4. You see a little bit of things in Creole. Bonjour. Mais si vous regardez vidéo encore là, quand même when you ligojin mwen neuf parce que ça moi sous moi dernier vidéo moi t'ai parlé quand mon te dit autres quand il mort à sous moi comme ça moi pas ça fini tout fait tout petit bité, tout petit jip à sous deck là. Moi gagne yon qui pli bon match. Moi yon gagne un lot. Moi gagne un lot. Il va bon match c'est $50 pour lui. $56 moi quoi, $56 et puis je dis c'est premier temps moi y servi, moi y couper un morceau planche 4 par 4 planche ça même pas ça couper 4 par 4 planche y servi pour couper planche parce que mon besoin même si même pas aimer gagner des outils parce que c'est pas industrie pas dans industrie là moi ka pas bité pas kai faire construire kai puis c'est bité ça charpentier c'est bité ça même gagner un petit outil qui bon marche parce que ça c'est pas moi pas ka servir moi servir aujourd'hui peut-être on en est passé encore moi qui a servi encore parce que qui ça moi ka faire et puis si pas vous dire mon ka faire charpentier mon pas ni planche autant planche ou pas ka faire bité moi comment de ka faire avant ça même il était assez là pour bon combien d'années c'est un yon qui vieux quoi une année assez sorti c'est 2009 ça qui année non 80 1980 80 2009 80 80 90 93 3 comme ça moi sur moi là même peut-être vieux. Oh ben, c'est temps pour biter neuf, c'est pas biter il pas rien sentimental parce que il c'était ça papa moi, depuis papa mon mort. OK, peut-être moi que biter sous maçon là. Après on les moi que jeter. Tout biter pour changer tout biter dans la vie. Gâter. Une qui neuf. Moi pas savent qui c'est mon caille fait veille. Mais si on y a caille là mais oui on connaît pour faire petit ouais pas ouais sous caille ou peut-être que vini important pour moi mon pas savent depuis pas blessé moi côté et puis ça moi quoi il plie peut-être ça que blessé moi envoyer ça que blessé moi tous ces outils ça même qui blessé mon tourner moi pour les outils moi ni on tenir plus outils que ça les outils moi autres outils moi servi seule fois mais ça m'a déjà servi tout parce que ouais tout petit ouais pas ouais m'a faire sous ouais pas ouais tout petit garage moi là en fait il ouais pas ouais là moi morceau planche là qui blanchi c'est moi qui fait mettre ouais pas ouais là à sui comme ça au bon coin au besoin on pas savent yo pas cher là mais oui mais ça c'est ça ok ben bon aller faire une vidéo pour mon montrer comment moi ka servi à sur mon planche là parce que moi t'ai fait moi t'ai manger comment t'ai dit moi fait moi continuer puis ka couler petit barricade là petit fence là petit saint c'est pas un saint non ça c'est un barricade pour voir il fait des puis métal fait donc pour morceau planche donc mettre un morceau planche là pour puits on sait que les carottes là même peut-être qu'il y a une chance pour profiter là parce que ces animaux bêtes là même pas peut-être pas que yo ja passer à sous petit barricade là mais on pas jamais savent si yo fait you can sauter là marcher à sous marche et puis aller là. Oh ben on montre l'autre vidéo encore.